Hi friends, how is the weather today? Is it sunny, rainy, or cloudy? Which one do you like the best? In this book Rain, we have sunny, cloudy, and rainy day. Ready? Let's go! Rain by Robert Kalan, illustrated by Donald Cruz. Blue sky, yellow sun, white clouds, gray clouds, no sun, gray sky, rain, rain on the green grass, rain on the black road, rain on the red car, rain on the orange flowers, rain on the brown fence, rain on the poppy flowers, rain on the white house, rain on the green trees, rain, rain, rainbow.